Alright, today I'm going to be fishing my secret spot, but one big difference is that it's raining, and I've actually never fished in the rain before. I fished when it was like drizzling, but not this heavy, so I'm going to see how that affects the fish's activity today. So I'm going to start off with the fluke. It's the same one I used last video, because I forgot to bring more, so that's all I got for now. And I'll tie on a frog after it's ruined. But it's first time fishing in weather like this before, so I'm gonna see how the fish react, because everyone says that fishing is best when it's raining. So I'm gonna see how true that is. Oh, there you go, fish. There we go, first fish. There we go. First fish on the fluke. Nice little 1-pounder. First cast, so looks like this rain's working out pretty good. But yeah. Hopefully get some bigger ones in here, because I know there's a lot bigger in here. So hopefully that wasn't a first cast curse. Look at that, right on the ground. What is it? I don't know what type of lure this is. Or it's like a jerkbait or crankbait, but it's just sitting on the ground. It's already looking out to be a nice day already. Caught a fish first cast and I found a free lure. So looks pretty nice. But I might have to retie, my line's pretty frayed, but let's make one more cast. Another fish. This one's a lot smaller, but still. Second cast, second fish. This is crazy. Still a little pipsqueak, but still. It already looks like these fish are pretty hungry, so yeah. I'm gonna retie because I just saw a huge fish. I don't know if it was a bass or not, and if it bites, I don't want it to break off, so I'm gonna retie real quick. fish. There we go. Oh my God. There we go. Stay on. Oh, he's on there. No! Are you serious? Alright, after I lost those 2 nice bass, I'm gonna try this jerk bait over on this side where there's not a lot of weeds. I'm trying to let those bass reset, so I might go back and try to catch them again. But I don't know what the hell's wrong with my frog. I missed so many fish on my frog. It's ridiculous. Got a fish. Woo! Turn the camera on just in time. I didn't even know there's crappie in here. It's a nice crappie. Alright, thanks for biting, buddy. I'll let you go.